A cast iron pan is essential for making these. I put a bunch of lard in the cast iron pan and I heat it up on medium heat until it's really nice and hot. You put your hand just above the oil in the pan, you can feel it, it's really hot. I had diced up a whole bunch of maybe like 5 or 6 potatoes and a whole onion. And I put all of the onion and potato in the pan while it was nice and hot. And you just dump it all in and then you don't touch it for a little while and you only stir it a few times. Because this makes it so that it doesn't stick to the pan, it gets a nice and lovely brown and super crispy but soft on the inside. They're just absolutely delicious. When they were almost done, I put in some meat that I got out of the freezer. It was some already cooked meat. It was another one of those crock pot situations where I had extra meat. So I just cut it all up and I put it in the freezer for a quick meal like this. I really like having cooked meat on hand for meals like this. So I put a bunch of that in and finished cooking it, and while it finished cooking it, thawed the meat out. I salt and peppered it and added oregano and paprika. And then when we ate this, we put some of my home canned candied jalapenos on this, and it was just delicious.